What's up guys, it's your boy Goblin, and yesterday I just got the S10 Plus and I'm about to do an unboxing video on it and a little quick review. I used it since yesterday. And first of all, I already opened this shit because what black person not gonna wait to open their phone? Think I'm gonna make a video first? You tripping? There's the 10. Show you what comes in the box. Shit got tangled once again. First of all, you get the fast charger. It's one thing, cause niggas be taking my chargers. I need that. You get these nice ass earbuds. Like these sound real good, noise canceling, bass sound is clear, and they actually stay in your ear. And you get a whole bunch of like Verizon papers, a welcoming booklet, and like your pre-order paper. Like, let's get to the main part of this video. I got some long nails right now. They be growing too fast. Alright, if I can take this damn phone out. You guys see I already got it set up and stuff. One thing I love about this phone is the fingerprint scanner is under the screen. Oh, that's it. It has 3 cameras on the back of it, 2 in the front. I'm not gonna go in depth about each camera and all that because that's not what this is. Look at the color I got, prismatic white. And that's pretty much it about this video. Oh, one more thing. Can't forget about it. Comes with this little thing that you're supposed to like connect to your old phone and like transfer all your stuff over. And it comes like some more earbud squishy tip shits. But if you guys want me to go in more in depth about the specs and stuff like that with the phone, I will just leave comments, likes, and stuff just to show you guys care. It's your boy Goblin, I'm out. You know where to find me, you wanna pull a homie, do that. I'm ballin' like Jordan, I'm feeling